Hello fishing fans, and welcome back to another fishing YouTube video. So in this video we're back at the local pond. Back at it again, fishing with the purple worm. It's a little windy. Oh, I got a whole entire freaking combo pulling in. Well, I guess we can clean up the pond at least.
Yeah, please do. I'm appreciative of that. I don't know if anyone else is. It might be twisted. You might have to cut both sides in order to get it.
No, wait, I think I'm getting it.
Just make sure you don't cut yours. Yeah, it's twisted.
Yeah, it is. Just make sure you grab
Hold it right there.
Right where? Where am I supposed to hold?
You did it.
Okay. Is that a lure or what is that?
That's a lure. Covered in moss, but it's like a chartreuse worm.
The purple worm looks great in this water. Clarity.
No, this is the water it's for. You better do blue on rocks though if we get to rock.
But yeah, there's rocks right here next to the dock.
Yep.
But once I get this cast in, we can head out.
Alright. I need a blue bee.
I already have a bluebie on.
I don't.
I just got one.
Good.
No, we just came off.
Oh, Tyler, damn you.
Dang it.
Why, son?
No, I think I got one.
Oh, well, good.
Or maybe not. No, he's trying to get me in a snag. He got me in a snag, but now he's out. Oh, it's decent. It might actually be decent.
Good.
It might actually be. No, Dad, this is actually decent.
Do I need a net?
I think I snagged him.
Oh, well, that'll make you fight pretty hard. Oh, yeah, you did. He's not bad.
No.
Just to make sure we get him. We do this.
He, like, swiped at it and then missed, and then it was weird. It, like, stopped.
Yeah, he's not bad. Where are we?
He looks fat, though.
Like there was fish down here, didn't I?
Out of battery? It's on.
You have your next
Yeah.
147.
Yep, 1.47.
Alright, here you go. Get him back in there. Walk him in as soon as you can.
Nice fishy.
You alright?
Yeah. He's gone.
You didn't snag him. He kind of engulfed it.
Yeah.
And it'll come out the gill instead of down his throat.
Yeah. We're way off.
Yeah.
But,
well,
I mean, yeah.
Good.
Well, see, that was strange. Like, I felt it. There was a hit. There was a hit. And then it felt like a snag. I know in my new boat episode 1 video, I had quite some chunkers from over here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's a little squirt, though. But it doesn't matter. Okay, you want to stop going on top of the water so I don't lose you like the other one did, because he's barely hooked. Okay, you're bringing in. You're in here now. You're in the boat, bud. You're in the boat, bud. No, it pulled out my hook though. Goofy. Bro, look, he pulled out that back hook. I don't know if this is Savior.
I don't either.
He's barely hooked. If I can. Oh, I unhooked him myself. See, but I did my iconic move, grabbing the fish with the same pole, so with the same hand that's holding my pole.
We're not weighing anymore.
Why?
Dead.
Is it actually?
Yeah. I replaced. Oh, he's not as big as I thought either.
No.
He's probably a pound.
Yeah. All right. Ready to go back, big guy? Ready to go. Oh, he was ready to go. He shook out of my hand. There's one.
Oh, good.
It's the tiniest fish in the pond, though. I might need help unhooking this dude, though.
Yeah, no problem.
It was a little tapper. Little tap, tap, tap.
Yeah? Okay. Let
And
me
he took
get
it.
back there with you.
Oh, never mind. He's not that bad.
No.
Little tiny dude. But it's something, at least. Would you look at that? Wow. I don't want to get hooked. Stop. There. So that wasn't too bad. Get you. Easier release there. Well, that was simple, wasn't it?
Can you throw one up here next to the dock? Maybe they're underneath us and they'll come out to it. Yep, that's it. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, don't back up.
I know.
Wait.
That's what I was afraid of. I didn't want to walk in.
Yep. No go?
Nothing.
Alright. Wow, Calvin.
Maybe not. Oh, I had one for like a split second.
Oh.